Arizona Commerce Authority forges a future around global competitiveness by bringing new technologies and new business models to market. When the Arizona Commerce Authority (ACA) was established in 2011, the goal of this unique public-private partnership in the first 5 years was to make Arizona a better place for business and innovation. Under the leadership of a board of directors from all three branches of government, private business and academia, the ACA put forth a strategic plan to do that. The plan outlined aggressive goals to recruit out-of-state companies to Arizona, work with existing companies to grow their businesses, and partner with entrepreneurs and innovators to create new jobs in targeted industries. In its first 5 years, the ACA worked with some of the most respected names in the industry to create over 87,000 projected new jobs and secure more than $9.5 billion in capital investment. Now, under Governor Ducey's direction, the ACA is working to build on those successes. Arizona isn't content to just be a good place for business, we intend to be a global leader in innovation. The future starts here. To enhance Arizona's global competitiveness, the ACA is focused on 10 next-gen tech trends in which Arizona already has core competencies and industry leaders. The goal is to ensure Arizona remains the best place for bringing new technologies and new business models to market, ensure our business environment helps those new ideas thrive, and provide a pipeline of top talent. These are the next-gen tech trends to watch. Internet of Things, IoT. In short, IoT is connectivity of everything. It's people, phones, computers, vehicles, appliances, medical instruments, supply chains and more linked to digital networks that allow businesses to function at unprecedented speed, range and flexibility. Arizona is poised to lead the Big Bang of connectivity. Our private industry leaders and nationally recognized research universities are now at the forefront of leveraging universal connectivity and discovering ways to make internet access faster and cheaper to help tackle global challenges. Education technology. The internet and its global connectivity have given rise to education technology, which takes learning in the traditional classroom out of the classroom, and into cyberspace. Online programs give students options to learn in many different settings at their own pace. Arizona companies and educational institutions, both established and startups, have pioneered the use of technology to expand access to education. A critical mass of companies in our state is leading the way in making transformative and customized learning a reality. Telemedicine. Telemedicine promises to transform the delivery of healthcare through the development of inexpensive portable devices that allow patients to conduct their own lab tests and download results. Arizona researchers, entrepreneurs, designers and manufacturers are key players in developing new devices and facilitating these advancements for the benefit of all. Personalized medicine. Genomics research enables doctors to diagnose and prescribe treatment based on a patient's specific symptoms, body makeup, chemistry and reaction, or lack of, to certain drugs. The concentration of biotech innovators in Arizona means our state is well ahead of the game. Our universities, private research institutions and world-class medical facilities are teaming up to use molecular and genomic data to discover the mechanisms of disease, leading to new ways to diagnose patients and tailor individual treatments. Freshwater science. The population of the world is 7.6 billion, and is predicted to grow to 9.8 billion by 2050. Only 2.5% of the world's water is fresh, and only 1% of that amount is easily accessible. That's why the world is looking to Arizona. Our experts know how to capture, store, move and manage water for millions of residents, agricultural enterprises and industries. Our state has spent more than a century addressing the challenges of scarce water. This 100-year head start and expertise in water conservation and resource management will allow Arizona to maintain our position as a global leader. Agricultural technology. Agricultural technology promises to offer more innovative ways to feed the world population using fewer resources. Emerging technologies in this space will increasingly relegate food shortages to history. With groundbreaking research and partnerships with the private sector, scientists in Arizona are developing cost-effective, sustainable methods for growing food and increasing yields in arid, water-stressed climates, solving what is arguably the world's most urgent problem. Renewable energy. Advancements in renewable energy promise a more sustainable future. Photovoltaic cells and other emerging technologies will cover roofs, cars, airplanes, schools, businesses, and a variety of devices. Lightweight and ultra-long-lasting batteries will power transportation. Soon vehicles, factories, homes, phones and countless other devices can be powered fossil-free 24/7. Arizona's strengths in solar and renewable energy, combined with a bountiful supply of sunshine, entrepreneurial momentum and innovative research, ensure that our state will continue to be a leader in sustainability. Smart materials, faster, stronger, lighter, thinner, and technologically connected. Smart materials are being used in everything from the cars we drive to the pavement on which we drive. Arizona innovators are designing and engineering advanced materials from the atomic level on up and connecting them to the internet, from materials that can withstand temperatures 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun to systems that protect aircraft from potential lightning strikes. Nanosatellites, microsatellites are being launched into space, supplying internet connectivity to the world and changing global communications. Arizona's universities and aerospace. In developing new satellites, Arizona industry leaders are implementing best practices of manufacturing technology from the mobile phone, defense and medical products industries. Our state is at the forefront of a world that is both shrinking and expanding. Autonomous vehicles and unmanned aircraft systems, UAS. As the world population grows, so does the need to move people and goods more efficiently. Arizona has already established a strong leadership position as the best place for autonomous vehicle technology. Waymo, GM, Ford, Mobileye and TuSimple are all testing in our state. Facebook chose Arizona to test its autonomous internet beaming drone, Aquila. Arizona universities offer renowned engineering programs in aviation, bolstered by technical schools providing expertise in maintenance, repair and overhaul. State-of-the-art surveillance, monitoring and targeting equipment is produced by several of the state's many aerospace. Government is not only stepping out of the way and letting innovation flourish but supporting and encouraging it. Most recently, Governor Ducey signed the nation's first fintech financial technology sandbox law, giving those working in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology room to innovate without burdensome regulations and costs. Arizona, with the second highest concentration of companies in the business and financial sector, is the perfect place for this type of innovation. The governor has also signed legislation allowing small businesses to raise money through crowdfunding campaigns in exchange for equity, empowering startups to raise capital in new ways. In addition, Arizona has established itself as a global leader in the development and testing of autonomous vehicles, becoming the first state in the nation to lay the groundwork for 5G deployment and allowed home-sharing and ride-sharing companies to thrive in Arizona. To continue to help private industry and entrepreneurs create new jobs, grow wages, increase capital investment and commercialize new technologies, the ACA is working to continually enhance Arizona's competitiveness and ensure the state remains at the leading edge of innovation. Our focus on the future and relentless pursuit of excellence will advance our success far beyond the state's geographical borders. Arizona will play a role in changing the world. To learn more, please visit ascommerce.com. Members of the editorial and news staff of the USA Today Network were not involved in the creation of this content. Reader share the story, https://azc.cc/2if6sc8